this morning with lows from the upper 40s to 50s, sunny and mild today with the highs ranging from the 60s to the low and mid-70s. Pretty much the same weather pattern tomorrow. We will cool down a bit and cloud up a bit, but still stay really nice and pleasant Thursday through Sunday. Highs from the upper 50s to the upper 60s and lows overnight staying in the 40s and 50s. Around the bay right now, it's 51 degrees in San Jose, Fremont and San Mateo, both at 57. Livermore is 62. Oakland 61. Concord 56. 58 in Napa. It's 52 degrees in San Rafael. And on the Embarcadero in San Francisco, it's 61 degrees. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. The emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.